So guys, it's week 2. The Florida Gators are coming off a huge victory from week 1 against a ranked Miami Hurricane football team. So now we're going into a much easier week, but hey, we should not take any game for granted because anything can happen during these games. Yeah, we're going up against a FCS Panda team, but hey, we need to go into this game like this game is the SEC championship. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead. Let's dive into our weekly plan here, and we'll finally get into the game. As you guys see on the screen right now, we got the top 25 teams in the nation. So let's just see if there's any big changes or upsets within the week 1 here. So as of right now, right here, we got a huge movement. Clemson jumps from 17 to 6. And who did they beat? They beat Georgia. Georgia was ranked number 1 at the time. And to be honest, they got beat pretty bad, 35 to 17. So let's go ahead. Let's look for Georgia and see where they fell. And here they are. They were number 1. They fell to 13. So let's check out the rest of the rankings here, see if there's any huge movements. And we got a couple right here. Alabama, ranked number 6, they fall to 21 because they lose to Western Kentucky. And to 34 to 26. That is not sweet to see for Alabama, but I love it. I love seeing Alabama lose. Then Florida State, they were ranked number 11, and they fell to 22 because they lost to Boston College. Now, here's my biggest question. We have 3 new teams. Number 1, Washington. Okay, they beat an FCS team. Auburn, they beat an FCS team. And Iowa, they beat an FCS. I guess beating an FCS gets you into the top 25 for week 1. Because Florida Gators here, we played a true team in week 1. They were ranked and we won. But yet, we get outbid to be in the top 25 to one of these 3 schools for beating the FCS? I don't get that. Well, maybe you guys do. Leave a comment to let me know how this is possible. But hey, a W is a W. Who cares about the top 25 right now? So let's go ahead. Let's move on. Here's the Heisman race right now from week 1. We still have Gordon II leading the race at Oklahoma. Sanders is number 2. We have Judkins at Ohio State at number 3. Travis Hunter from Colorado at number 4. And we got Carson Beck from Georgia in number 4. Number 5. The top players from week 1. Here we are for the national settings here. We have defense. We have Dylan with 6 tackles, 6 sacks with the W. Then we have for offense, Isaiah. Okay, we have, this is a wideout. 9 receptions, 162 yards. He averaged 18 yards per catch, 4 TDs. A hell of a game for him. Let's go ahead. We'll check out the SEC. For SEC, Florida Gators, there it is. We have a defensive player, Asa Turner, 7 tackles, 1 sack in the big W over Miami. And for the SEC offensive player, we have Isaiah right here. We already know his stats. Before we jump into the game, let's get you guys updated with the recruits. I'm just going to show you the big updates on what happened and the players that we really want to chase right now. The first player that we want, as you guys can see on the screen right now, we have Jay, okay? He is a wideout, and the reason why we want him is right here is that 97 speed. 97 speed is what we want for our wideouts. He's a 6'4", 201 deep threat. That is perfect for what we want for offense. So we sent the house on this guy to be able to try to get him to come to Florida Gators. From week 1, we did get our first commitment. So as you guys can see right now, we have Anthony Daly. We have a 3-star gem committing to Florida. He is a 6'7", 287-pound pass protector, right tackle. Man, we love that. So welcome to the Florida Gators, Anthony. The last guy that I want to speak about is a linebacker. As you guys can see on the screen right now, we got Jermaine Hobbs here. And the reason why we want him is obviously because of that stat of his speed. 89 speed. He makes a perfect user linebacker for our defense. With everything done for our weekly homework, let's go ahead. Let's dive into week 2, game 2. So last week, our defense was just amazing, okay? We probably have the best defense in the nation without checking the stats. Let's go. And that's a good stop right there. So 2nd and 10. Here we go, boys. Play action. I fell for the play action. 3rd and 2. We're actually going to play the run here. Commit to the run. Come on, boys. Line them up. Let's go. 3-0. Give us the ball.
The Pandas line up to punt it away. Let's see if he can help the coverage team out with this one. On the return, it's Abrams.
Abrams. He's to the house. No one's catching him. Let's go, Abrams. Come on. Come on. To the house, baby. Let's go, Gators. Hell of a start for our team. Let's go. Go deep. Come on. What we got? What we got? Come on. It's a good little run by the quarterback there.
And when you do that, you sort of get the drive going.
Hey, 3rd and 3. Let's go. Another 3-0. What do we expect? Let's go, Gators. All right, Dyke. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get outside. Yep, get outside. He's to the house. He's to the house, baby. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Cut back. Ooh, ooh. Let's go, Gators. First play of the offense is to the house. Let's go. Boom. Line them up, baby. Oh, they're actually running. Okay. Good run. Good run. We'll run commit. We'll run commit. Line them up. Ah, they got the first down. The first down of the game. Let's go. Let's go. Not today. Not today, boys. Good. Okay. Let's go. 3rd and 8. Whoa. That's a great ball. Great ball. Pandas are showing a little life here right now. Come on, defense. Stop. Man, don't fall for that, boys. He can get out in space and he has a chance to get downfield. He is really difficult to tackle. He's very difficult to catch. Okay, look at the Pandas finding life right now, boys.
Wide receiver coming across in motion.
Okay. Let's go.
That's supposed to be a quick hitter, get me a few short yards, and there was nowhere to hit it.
Wrap them up, wrap them up. There it is. Is that holding?
He's brought down, but
it's probably holding.
On the field. Let's see which way that's going to go. Your fillings on 3rd and goal. That's it.
Man, okay, Pandas. All right, let's go, Johnson. Let's see what we could do on the ground here. What's our matchups look like today, boys? Everyone's in the green except for Johnson there. Okay, let's go ahead. We're going to put our Mizell on a streak. See what happens. Lagway. Underthrows him. Come on, baby. Let's go, Lagway. There it is. Let's go. Good. Let's go, boys.
The handoff to Johnson. Shakes off the
Ah.
throw.
What the heck? Just like that, boys. What, like, what happened right there?
Big fullback's got
Good, boys.
nowhere to run up.
Is usually in short yardage situations, and the defense was locked in. You got to try to get penetration with that defense.
Wrap him up. Okay, third and down, 10.
He's not just a blocker. He can hand off the ball, and he can go find positive yards. Shows you right there.
Jeez, guys. What's going on? We have a tied game with the Pandas.
Defense back to work.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Kick, David, they
No more
really did
turnovers.
take care of the ball this time.
No doubt.
Jeez, boys.
All your plays, and I
Want to
hope
flip
this
the
goes
play,
with that
flip the
because I'm
play.
gonna be afraid to throw it this drive.
Give it to Dyke again. Because that safety on the right side, he's coming on the blitz. So run away.
Jet sweep pass. Each run.
Nothing is going right now, boys.
Wide receiver in different ways they were going to try to get him.
There it is. Let's go.
Everybody on
Okay.
defense on the
Good
same
ball.
page, playing together. I love
Had it to open the quarter with this first down play. The give to the running back from the shotgun.
Our run game is non-existent right now. All right, let's see it. Come
Back
on.
to pass. It's Lagway.
Good ball. Sway, stay in the pocket. Let's go.
the great feeling on defense too. When you're blitzing, you're expecting to get a
Oh,
sack.
let's
You're
go.
expecting
Come on,
to
Johnson. To the house. Oh, you're too slow.
Pick it up.
Johnson, you're a little too slow, baby. But hey, good play. Good play.
Out of the shotgun. They
There we go, Webb. That's it. We'll take 6 yards every time.
It into the end
Put
zone.
Mizell on the drag here. We will look for Dyke in the corner. See what happens.
He wants
Nope.
to pass it on
Nope.
second down. He's
Okay,
got
third and
his
1.
First down without scoring. Third down.
Get that first down. That's all we want. Nice, Johnson. All right, we're going to get Mizell on the drag to clear him out. And we're just going to try and hopefully maybe roll out this way.
Set up to throw.
Nope.
Escapes trouble.
Ooh, okay. Okay, let's go.
Rolling
Let's
to the
go,
right.
baby. Let's go. Way to make a play, Lagway. All right, defense. Come on, boys. Figure this out again. Come on.
Drive starts from their own
We cannot
25-yard
allow the Pandas to just march all over us.
Going to the ground.
Line them up.
Works
Okay.
it on second down. Looking for a gap. It's Jeffrey.
Wrap them up. Okay. 3rd and 6. Get the crowd going. Get the crowd going. Let's go.
Third and long. From the gun. Wants to pass.
There it is, baby. Good defense. 3-0. Give us the ball. Come on. All right, boys. Come on, Mizell. Come on, Mizell.
So in this next drive, David, I think you keep running the football because that sets up the play.
What happened there? Did Mizell seriously get jacked up on the line? I was just trusting that he was going to get
On second down.
beat the press coverage right there, but he did not.
Touch pass on the
There it
jet
is.
sweep.
Look at this. Look at this. Cut back. Let's go, Johnson. Come on, Johnson.
He goes.
Let's go, baby. Let's go to the house.
Florida. And they add 6 more to the board with that trip to the house. Last score trailing by 14, Jesse.
Yeah, and at this point in the game,
Let's go.
you should go back to what's been
There's our big man. 2-1, baby. Watson in the house.
also saying, Paul, kind of understanding
The D-line
the
over.
defense is not playing great, so
Okay, let's go.
On third and long, doesn't need to take the check down.
Let's go, baby.
They're sending the offense back to work. This has been exactly the way you draw things up, David. The offense has really
Uh-huh.
been moving the football.
Uh-huh.
It's been great execution.
Let's
They've done
go. Oh, they're not.
Off the play fake on first down to throw.
Way to roll out, baby.
On the move.
Stay in bounds. Oh.
And he'll
Hey, good ball, boys. Good ball. You guys know what's coming. Here it is. Let's go, Dyke. This play's just been dominating for us.
touch pass on the jet.
Cut up. Let's go. In the house.
The time to start is right now.
Gotta start now. Defense giving
Let's
up
go. Our rush defense is killer, man. They have to be passing, right? We're going to pass commit on this play.
But I think more than that, you gotta eliminate the negative plays. No more
Incomplete, baby. Incomplete. Let's go.
On 3rd and long, trying to convert through the air.
Nope. Give us the ball. Another 3 now, boys.
Trying to find his man on 1st down. Gets it out.
Mm-hmm.
They made going up top on 1st down.
Yep. Take the easy yards. Let's go.
It's Johnson.
Coming with the
Field,
blitz.
it's flag way.
Oh.
Field stripe. Looking to throw for it. Dances away.
Okay. That's fine. We'll take that, boys.
Makes his
Way to
connection.
roll out, baby.
He wants to throw.
Why
Starts to
didn't you throw it, Legway? So we got a 2nd and 20, boys. 2nd and 20.
But now you finally get some pressure, get the quarterback to the ground. Now maybe start turning this defense around.
Great ball, boys. Great ball. Let's go.
He's looking to throw it.
Okay, take the easy yards.
Quick strike complete.
Yep.
Now from inside the red zone.
That was the right read. It's just the wrong ball.
Nice job by the defender.
Go ahead.
Just getting his
Mizell,
fingertip
drag.
on the top of the football.
After the incompletion, back to the pass.
Dang it. Let's see if Johnson can get open
On
here.
3rd and
Nope,
long,
he's not.
he'll need to loosen up that
Roll.
arm. Fires to the tight end.
I guess we'll take our 3 here. We'll take our 3.
Pre-snap motion in the backfield. Dropping
Enough.
back, it's flag way.
Oh, that's a bad block. I need to cut that in.
Back from the 17.
Nothing
They'll run it
fancy.
out of the
Let's go.
shotgun.
Just get that 1st down, baby.
First down marker, still
We love Johnson Jr., man.
right back to the well.
Okay.
Finding a
7
way to
yards.
put that-
They will just add up, wear the defense down,
Whoop.
get 1st downs, and ultimately get some
Nice
points.
blocks, boys. Nice blocks.
Line, it's Johnson.
Good, Johnson. So Mizell's being pressed. Come on, Mizell.
Yeah, it
Be
didn't
the
have to be
playmaker
long
here.
down the field. I could throw
There it
right
is.
near the
There it
line of
is,
scrimmage.
Mizell.
You know I got a guy
Let's go, baby. Let's go, Gators.
Touchdown, Florida. And the route is on.
All right, defense.
For now,
Do
it's
not
15
let up.
but if
Let's
there
go,
was any
boys.
changes, you'll see it right here. And how about that one? Kevin will be keeping an eye on everything going on elsewhere.
Okay.
Picks up a
Good run for them right there. 5 yards.
And you're making me honor the run. And another thing, every time you run the football, someone gets tackled. There's what the outcome is because those body blows do add up.
from the gun on 3rd down. Fires to the
Great
right.
play. Woo! He makes them. Okay.
Right through the defender. 1st and 10. Out of the gun. The
Oh,
inside
I-
handoff to the running back.
I overcommitted on that one. Overcommitted. Ah, come on, defense.
Going to run it, right? This offense right now is just more physical. They're more physical up front in the trenches, and this running.
Man, we got
his
no one.
ability to break tackles,
Okay. Now the quarterback's using his legs.
Take off and slide. I love the slide at the end. Don't take a big shot.
Hey, that's a good drive by the Pandas there. Good drive. They got no one over
So at least
Dyke.
with that drive, I think you've accomplished something you wanted to accomplish.
So we're going to go ahead,
Make this defense
get
think,
Wilson and go
pull
on the
back
street.
their heels. Now,
And we're gonna
you
go
might be able to
flat
slip a
for
few runs
Dyke.
in on this drive to really jack 'em up.
Yeah, I like that idea, but I also like the fact
Ah,
that speed
okay.
kills. They've got it at the receiver position.
All that work for 3 yards.
Running back goes in motion. Touch pass on the run. Powers through the defender.
Nowhere. Nowhere to go on that play. All right, let's go. All
On
right.
3rd and long, trying
Get
to
it
have a
off,
big
yep.
completion here. Finds his
Our
big
big
tight end.
playmaker tight end, man. I love that guy. I love that guy. Let's go. Let's go. We got the play action going now.
And I feel like
See
from
what
the get-go
happens.
race, this guy's just been in a great rhythm all game long. It
That's
just
a.
seems like
Ooh.
he's dialed
Oh,
in.
yeah, the ball was behind it there, but hey, come on, Wilson. You're the number 1 wideout on the team. You need to be a playmaker. Come down with that, buddy.
Keeping it on the ground with
Ooh,
the
cut up.
back.
Yeah, nice moves.
And a
Nice.
good
See what happens.
Play fake on 1st down to throw.
Nope. Well,
Incomplete. He'll try it again on 2nd and 10.
let's go, Johnson. Let's go, Webb. Come on, Webb.
To the ground with the
There you
back.
go, Webb. 2 yards.
Give him a
Hey, those guys, those running backs coming, they just need a mid. They put one mid on a running back, and he usually falls.
Ooh, there it is, Johnson. Ooh, Johnson, baby. Let's go.
to the air. It's Glagway. Stepping to the right.
I'm gonna run it to the weak side here.
That's winning. He's
Let's
gonna
see
start
what
to
happens.
goes to start
Oh yeah, we
handling
got it.
those
We got it,
things.
boys. We got.
Processor.
Nice
job
run.
by the
Nice
defense.
run.
He is a beast.
From the gun, looking for a man. Unleashes to the end
Oh.
zone. Quarterback wants to throw on 2nd down.
Get in there. Oh. You guys know what's coming. This is our favorite play right now. It's the jet pass.
So it pulls the trigger for the easy completion.
Let's see it, Dyke. I'm a little worried this one will not. Oh, it will.
Pass on the fly.
Easy, boys. Boom.
Pay off. Got a touchdown last time. Can they back it up here?
Well, and it's amazing in a football game how sometimes they'll surprise
Good
you.
defense. There it is. Let's go.
It looked like they started to find some momentum, so now it's on this defense to stop that, all right? You're a little bit upset based on what just
Woo-hoo-hoo.
happened in the previous.
Gotten started. From the gun, wants to pass. Buys a little time with his feet. Trying to escape.
Let's
again.
go.
It's come to the end of the quarter, and it's Florida on top. And they are starting to pull away as we come to the end of the 3rd quarter. Let's take a look at how we got here.
This will be the last play
This
for
offense has
Legway here.
really been
And we'll
clicking
take
in the
him
game
out.
so far, Jesse.
Oh,
No
good
doubt.
run,
Everything
baby.
their
Let's
play
go.
caller is-
It's time to make our audibles here, or substitutions, I should say. Legway. We're going to put Mertz in. Halfback here. Webb, you will get the remaining carries. Ooh.
Looking for space. It's Webb. A little pre-snap eye candy for the defense. Quick touch pass to the
Nice
receiver.
blocks, boys. Woo.
Pass the sticks,
Woo.
and he may get more.
Just nasty.
Touchdown, Florida! And the pummeling has started. They'll throw it on 1st down. Got his man quickly.
Attack. Once the tight end made the catch, there was no doubt he was going down. Great job.
Oh, okay.
And to the air, it's Wicks. Unloads to the wideout.
Good hit, 14.
Anything to happen in the passing game. As a result, we're here in the 4th quarter. They barely allowed over 100 yards passing.
The aerial assault continues. Quickly complete.
Dude, who's number 2? Is that Thornton? Or
Have this
who?
offense rolling.
I don't know. I need to learn the
He'll come out
my
throwing
team
on
better.
1st down. Quick completion on
Castile.
the- Made a defense-
Luckily for the out of bounds there, saving the TD.
Wants to throw on 1st down. Pulls it in.
Whoa.
Still on his feet.
Dang, okay.
Panda.
Good drive, Pandas. Good drive.
We'll circle back if anything big happens.
There it is,
you'd
Webb.
like to know about.
Good
Thanks for the
run.
update on that one, Kevin.
Let's just kill the clock now. Kill the clock so we can get out of this game. We're not going to take a
One back in
shot.
the backfield. He gets the carry.
That's it, Webb.
And they'll keep it on the ground. The clock is on their side.
Woo-hoo, Webb, baby. Let's go.
They'll give it to Johnson. They'll give it to the back. That pickup might be.
All right, Mertz. This is a touchdown, man. This is a touchdown. Let's go, Dyke.
Quarterback will audible.
Let's see it. We got Mizell or Dyke. Who's going to get off the line here?
Looking to throw. It's Mertz. Looking for the end.
Woo! Oh, we'll take that chance, boys, every single time.
Comes out throwing on 1st down. Quickly complete.
Back. Out route. He was in man coverage. If he could have just got out of his route a little bit sooner, he might have had a chance to intercept that one and take it to the house. was supposed to be that deep. You got to wonder if the receiver decided maybe to adjust the route a little bit to make sure that he got the first down.
Fires to the tight end.
If you can't find anything, get the easy gain. Don't take a shot down the field all the time. Take those shots later, but take those easy, wide-open opportunities to get some positive chunks.
Come on, Pandas. No need for calling a timeout.
He wants to throw it again.
Yeah, let's go, boys.
This offense has sputtered. They haven't found any kind of good rhythm. They haven't done things that...
Lets it fly deep downfield. And it's caught for a touchdown.
Man, okay, that's a hell of a ball, hell of a catch.
The ball back, and here comes the offense. Firmly in control of this game. We'll see if they just try to run out the clock and get out with a victory.
Just like that, guys, this game's pretty much done. So I will see you guys at the end of the game to show you guys the game stats.
To the off season and they start having coaching clinics, they're going to roll this game tape back to show both offense.
Dial it up and let it run. I mean, that's essentially what we saw in this game. It didn't matter what either offensive coordinator was calling. Everything seemed to work through throwing the football in the intermediate passing game, the RPOs, the run game, David. This was just clinical offensive football.
And offenses have evolved so much. They can do so many different things, and they know how to use their playmakers, get speed and space, make those big plays. So that's why offenses are ahead of defenses.
That's right, guys. We're in the stats page. So as you guys can see right now, here are the team stats. The Gators, 59-35. We get an easy W here. Although we allowed a little too many points, I believe, for the Pandas here. But other than that, a W is a W. We had 586 total offensive yards. We had 28 rushes for 163 yards. Yards per rush, 5.8. We gotta like that. Passing here, we had completions, 26 out of 36. We had 6 TDs through the air, and probably 3 of those TDs were the jet passes. So I don't know on why they really count as a pass, but hey, we'll take it and let's go. We had yards per pass, 11.8. We had 423 passing yards. We had a very nice conversion for third downs with a 70%. Fourth down, 1 for 1. Player stats here. Langway, 25 for 34, 374, 5 TDs, 1 INT. And that INT, again, really was not his fault. Our wideouts got tangled up, and that's what caused the INT. Rushing here, what we got? We got Johnson leading the way, his first 100-yard game with 8 yards per carry or average. 5 broken tackles. Okay, we gotta like that. Receiving here, what we have? We got Johnson leading the way, 9 receptions, 163 yards for a halfback. 2 TDs. Then we got our tight end, 7 receptions, 103 yards. Dyke with 6 catches, 89, and 3 TDs. And I believe 2 or not, if not all 3 of them, were those little jet sweep passes. Mizell with 1 TD. So we gotta like seeing those stats with our halfbacks and wideouts. For defense here, Turner led the way with 4 solo tackles. How many sacks do we have? We only had 2 sacks. Okay, Turner with 1.5 sacks. And we had no INTs. And with that said, guys, week 2 is in the books. The Gators are 2-0. And I'll see you guys in week 3.